Most online education platforms suffer from a massive structural flaw. They treat learning like a spectator sport. They drop you into hours of passive video lectures and wonder why your brain hits a wall. True mastery doesn't come from watching someone else solve a problem. It comes from doing it yourself. This is the foundation of Brilliant.org, created by learning designers and experts from MIT and Harvard. Brilliant is a massive interactive ecosystem built to teach math, computer science, and physics entirely through active discovery. The first pillar, active problem-first design. Brilliant completely bans video lectures. Instead, you are handed micro-sized visual puzzles from slide 1. By physically manipulating shapes, data charts, and code lines, your brain activates spatial reasoning, converting abstract jargon into pure logic. The second pillar, low-friction scaffolding. The platform uses an educational concept called scaffolding to break down complex university-level mechanics. It guides your deductions so smoothly that you solve advanced logical problems without experiencing academic math anxiety. The core 2026 tech, Koji AI Tutoring. The massive engine driving the platform is Koji Brilliant's personalized AI tutor. Koji doesn't just evaluate answers. It reads your interactive screen state. When you fail, it steps in like a private professor. Brilliant features a comprehensive library of over 60 courses. For programming, it uses an embedded browser-native code editor. It teaches you the overarching principles of computational logic first, transferring effortlessly to any coding language. The retention engine, independent retrieval. To seal down the memory, the platform applies low-stakes practice rounds. The final verdict? Brilliant is a highly gamified, scientifically structured framework for critical thinking and mastering programming logic. Learn by doing, build your intuition. Hit that like button and subscribe for more expert tech evaluations. Thanks for watching.